By that time, has everyone joined the whiteboard chat? I could only see Pavitra and Sharmila at my end. Others are facing problems. Sabina, Felsi, Haley,
Yes,
Anup.
Ashwari.
Like, what is the problem? Will you tell me? Now, Felsi is also there inside.
I'm unable to enter my name also.
Have you tried Chrome browser? Copy the link and open it in the Chrome browser. Maybe it will work in Chrome.
Okay.
Okay?
Okay.
Yeah. Okay. Now, Pavitra, Sharmila, Felsi, and Anu. These people are there. Haley and Sabina isn't there. Okay. Yeah. Good morning, class. Can I see some students on the screen? Sabina, Felsi, Pavitra, Sharmila, Haley, Anu. Very good. Felsi is there on my screen. What about the others? Yes. Very good. Shall we start? Haley, Sabina, I'm waiting for you. Yes. Just a minute. I'll share the screen. Let me know if my screen is visible to you all. Hmm? Yeah. Is it visible, students?
Yes.
Very good. Thank you very much, Anu. So, yes, students, what did we learned in the last lecture? Can I hear the topic name which we have studied in the last lecture? Felsi, which was the last topic?
Ratio and proportion.
Very good. Ratio and proportion. Under which subject, Haley?
Maths. Mathematics.
Maths. Very good. Mathematics. Okay. So before we go on to what are we going to do today, let us do the basics of what we have already learned in the last lecture. Okay. Do you all remember what we did? What
Aishwarya.
yeah, kids, you all are there with me?
Yes, yes.
I could only hear Haley now. There's a little network issue right now. But now, am I audible to you all, students?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, you are, ma'am.
Yeah, very good. Okay, so do you all remember what we did last time, students? In ratio and proportion? Yes, Anup does. What about the other? What about the others? Only Anup remembers what we did in the last lecture. Felsi, Haley, Sharmila, Sabina.
Ratio and proportion and they are equal.
Very good. Ratio and proportion and their unity. We have seen the story related to it and the other things. Okay. Let's do one quick recap with the basics. Okay. Understand. Now what is there on your screen? Felsi, can you tell me? Sorry, let's ask somebody else. Sharmila. Sharmila, what is there on your screen? What I have shared right now? Tell me.
Parameters.
Parameters. Is only parameters visible to you? Sharmila? Sharmila, you are there with me? Sharmila, I'm waiting for the answer.
Part to part ratio. Part 2 whole ratio. Simplify it.
Hmm. No, I'm not asking about the words. I'm asking about this. What is this? Can you interpret from this? Is it clearly visible, students? I hope it is not blur. Sabina, is it blur or the images which are there are clear to you?
No, it's clear. It's clear.
Clear. Very good.
There are
Yeah.
some
Thank you very much,
topics
Sabina.
and
Yes,
there is
Sharmila.
one
Tell me
topic.
what? Yes, Sabina. Tell me what happened.
There is one boy and there is one girl and there are some chocolates.
Very good. There are some candies with the girl and there are some toffees with the boys. If I tell you, if I ask you what is the ratio between the candies with the girl and the toffees with the boy, what will be the answer, Pavitra? What will be the answer of candies to the toffees? Yes. Only I am there on the screen. I don't know if others are visible. Anup, is everyone visible to you on the camera? Or only the teacher is there on the screen?
Yes, only teacher
Camera
is
is
there
on
on the
only.
screen.
You all are there on the camera because here I could see one small dot which says that I am facing some network issue. For Anup, is everyone visible? For Felsi, is everyone visible? Your friends are visible, students?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, if that's the thing, very good. Yeah, Pavitra, you are there with me? Pavitra? Pavitra isn't there in the classroom?
She is there, but I guess she is having network issues. That's why she is not visible.
Okay, no problem, no problem. Yes, Anu, will you help me tell the ratio between the candies which the girl has to the ratio of the toffees what the boy has? What is the ratio of
Yes, four
candies to toffee?
four upon three.
4 upon 3. Is he correct? Haley, is he correct? No,
No,
she is
ma'am. It
nodding
is
the head.
5 is to
Okay.
3.
It is 5 is to 3. How it is
Yes,
5
yes,
is
sorry,
to 3,
five.
Felsi? No problem, no problem. We are learning. Yes, Felsi? 5 is to 3. Okay, she left. Maybe she is facing some network issue. Yeah. Sabina, can you tell me why the answer is 5 is to 3?
Because there are 5 candies and 3 toffees with the boys.
Very good. There are 5 candies and 3 toffees. Okay. If I ask you, Sharmila, what is the ratio of toffees to the total number of chocolates? Toffees to the total number of chocolates. Then what would be the ratio? These are toffees. If you could see the cursor, these are toffees. So toffees to the total number of candies would be hmm? Yes, Anup has raised the hand. Yes, Anup, tell me.
Yes, three upon eight.
3 is to
Eight.
3 is to 8. Very good. We'll have some more example, students. Please stay with me. And if you are facing network issue, make sure you mention the answer in the chat box. And then we'll go towards the whiteboard as well. See, now there is part to part ratio. Even we have done this in the last session. The same question was there. Yeah, very good, Anup. The same question was there in the last question that we are going to prepare some cake or maybe something which will make out of flour and milk. There is 3 cup of flour and there is 2 pack of milk. What will be the ratio here? Sharmila, what will be the ratio here?
3 is to 2.
Yes, 3 is to
2.
3 is to 2. Now there was only me and Sharmila who was going to prepare the cake and going to enjoy the cake. Now what I did is Anup has entered, Haley has entered. Now I'll increase the number of cup of flours. How much total milk I'll require, students, now? Now I have made the cup of flour 6. Then Sabina, yes,
4.
It would be 4. Very good. Now what is the ratio? What is the ratio, Sabina? After increasing it to twice, what is the
6 to 4.
ratio? 6 is
6
to
is
4,
to
which is
4.
again equivalent to 6 is to 4. If I simplify it, it will
6
be
to
again
3.
back to. Yes, Sabina?
3 is to 2.
3 is to 2. Very good. Now again more students are there. Sabina has also entered. Now Felsi has also entered. Pavitra has also entered. So now we increase the flour. So now there are how much cups of flours in front of you? Yes, Haley, how many cups of flours are there in front of you?
9.
There are total 9. Very good. And how much milk packet do you require in total?
6.
6. Again, very good. And then the final ratio would be equal to
9 is to 6.
9 is to 6. And again, it is equivalent to Pavitra. Again, it is equivalent to what ratio? If I simplify what the answer of Haley, that is 9 is to 6. Again, the answer would be Pavitra. Is Pavitra facing network issue? Kelsey, you are there with me. Please tell me the simplified ratio of what Haley
Yes,
answered.
ma'am. 3 raised to 2.
3 is to 2. So in every part, when I was dealing with twice the value, it was still 6 is to 4, which is 3 is to 2. If I have thrice the value, then again it became 9 is to 6, which is equivalent to 3 is to 2. Now I hope everyone is there on the whiteboard. I'm going to show you the next image. Can you see the next image in front of you? Anup?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, what is happening in this image? Can you tell me what is happening in this image?
Children are playing in the garden.
Very good. Children are playing in the garden. I'll copy the same image on the whiteboard, students. And I'll answer some, I'll ask some question. You have to write your answers there on the screen. Just give me a minute. If you have entered, yeah. Is the screen visible, students, to your at your end? The image is visible.
Yes, ma'am. It is.
The image is there. Very good. Is the image at your end also in the whiteboard? Go on to that link, check whether the image is visible to you all at the whiteboard. Like this. Yes or no? Haley, Sabina, Felsi, Sharmila, Anu, Pavitra.
Yes,
I want to hear some
Yes,
replies.
yes,
Very
ma'am.
good. Very good. Very good. Now there you have to select the pen which is there on the left hand side, student. The drawing tool, a pen is there. Select that particular pen and write your answers there. Okay. Write your answers there. Now write what are the total number of students there in the image. Count the number of image and write the total number of students. Okay. Keep your cameras on. You can make the uh, screen or meet very small and then write down your answers in the whiteboard. Total number of students. So if you are actually physically present there, students, I can see that you are writing on the board. Take this pen and write your answers here. If you want to move the screen, there is a pan here. You can click on this pan and move the screen. You have to only use two tools, pen and this pan, nothing else.
Pen is in the form of brushes, no? It is like you have to draw or something.
Yes, exactly, Haley. Pen is to use to write on the board, and pan is to move the screen. Who has
So the
answered?
image is partially visible. It's not completely visible to me.
Ha, see, what you have to do is, no, you have to select this pan option, Sabina, and then move the screen towards one end. You'll be able to write the answer. And if the image is not visible, see, I'll share the image to you. This is the image.
Can you repeat
Please
what are
keep
we
videos
exactly
on,
supposed to
students,
write?
in between.
Yes, ma'am. Maybe, ma'am, they are working on the whiteboard. No, that's the
Okay, okay,
reason they are
okay.
not able to keep the
That way
cameras on.
also they are not putting on. That's why. Okay, okay.
Okay, no problem. As they come back, ma'am, I'll make
No
sure
problem, no
they
problem.
turn the camera. Yes, Haley, you just have to write the total number of students, on the whiteboard. And if you all have written, do let me know. So I'll check on the whiteboard. Because right now I have not seen anyone writing anything. Haley is writing. Very good, Haley. Haley has written there are 20 students, 20 kids in the garden. What about others? Sharmila, Sabina, Felsi, Anu, Pavitra.
Ma'am, I've written it. 20.
Felsi, you have written it. Let me check. Very good. Okay. Make sure you write big numbers so that I'll be able to recognize it. I'm viewing a multiple view. That's why. So I could see Haley and Felsi has returned the answer. What about Sharmila? Sharmila, Sabina. Yes, very good. Sabina has also returned 20. Very good. Very good. Now, can you tell me the number of boys and the number of girls in the image, students? Very good, Pavitra. If you have written here, then that will go. Number of boys and number of girls. Count number of boys and number of girls in this image. Be very quick, students. We have a big activity to be done. First, write the number of boys and then write the number of girls in this image.
In the same image or in the next image?
No, in the same image. From the same image, the total number of boys and the total number of girls. Sharmila has just drawn a line on the image. Nothing is there. I could only see Haley writing 20, Sabina 20, Felsi has written 20, Pavitra has not written anything. And then Anu, you have written the answer, but it is very small. Acha, make sure you increase the font size if it is possible for you. Nahida has also written nothing. I could see nothing written on Nahida's script. Nahida, you are there with me? No, Nahida isn't there in the class. Very. Haley has written 12 girls. Very good, Haley. What about the others? Felsi? There are 10 boys. Haley has written 12 girls, 8 boys. Elsie has written only 10. Anup, I am still unable to see what you have written. Sabina, Pavitra, you can put down your answer here even in the chat box. Very good, Pavitra. Pavitra has written there are 8 boys and 11 girls. Sharmila has written 8 boys and 12 girls. So Sharmila's answer and Haley's answer is matching. Pavitra, just check. Yes. Students, you all can come back here. From the whiteboard, you all can come back here. Everyone is there. Shall I close the whiteboard?
Yes, ma'am.
Shall I close the whiteboard? Everyone is here. Turn on your cameras, please. Yeah, Felsi is there with me. Sabina is there with me. Very good. What about Haley, Anu, Sharmila, Pavitra? Yes. Sabina, Anup, Sharmila, Pavitra, so that we can take ahead this activity. Yeah. Very good, students. Now tell me what would be the ratio between the total number of boys to the total number of students. Ratio of boys to students. Yes, Haley, tell me. Boys to students.
8 to 20. 8 is to
8 is
20.
to 20. If I have to simplify this number, what will be the answer, Sabina? 8 is to 20. If I simplify, what would be the answer?
4:10.
4 is to 10. Again,
10.
this 4 is to 10 has to be simplified. Felsi, what would be the answer?
2 is to
Felsi,
5.
5.
2 is to 5. Very good. If you don't answer, I'm going to ask you all only, those who keep the cameras off. Now I could only see Felsi on my screen. Is it like that way?
No, Pavitra, me, ma'am, everyone's camera is on.
It is on? Yeah, no problem. Chalo. Then we'll go ahead. I hope simplifying the ratio was clearly understood to you. I want you all to watch this video. So make sure you are very carefully observing this, okay? Sharmila, Pavitra, Anup, you all are there. Please raise your hand so I'll understand you all are there on my screen. Very good. Sharmila is in there. Sharmila, amazing. So let's watch this video and then we'll go ahead to the activity. Yes, students. So which were the places in this video? Sabina, which were the places in this video?
Matharan.
Very good. Mathera and this. Yes, Sharmila, tell me. Matheran, what else was there in the video? Only Matheran was there.
Kankavli.
Kankali was there. Yeah. Then Kelsey.
Arnala Island.
There was. Yes, Kelsey. Go one by one. Go one by one. Ratnagiri was there. Amazing, amazing. Ratnagiri was there. All these places are in which state? Which state of India?
Maharashtra.
Maharashtra. Very good. So today we are going to learn about something about Maharashtra and then we are going to do of your states, of your state, liking of your states. Okay. So Now, if I have to check whether Maharashtra is progressing or no, how will I check whether Maharashtra is progressing? Tell me, how will I check whether a state is progressing or it is not progressing, it is moving opposite to the progression? How will I check? Your economics teacher has taught you something in the last lecture, I'm sorry. How will you check whether a state or a country is progressing? What are the parameters you know about? Anup, Sharmila, Sabina. Yes, Anup.
Yes, ma'am. Gross domestic production we can calculate, and total income per capita per person individually we can calculate,
Very good. The
and
income has to be.
businesses. Yes.
Yes, very good. Business. Mumbai itself is called as the. What is Mumbai called as? Why Mumbai is famous across the
Cap-
globe?
Business hub.
yes, ma'am. It is called as a capital of economics.
Capital, economic capital, or the business capital of India. Very good. Yes, Haley, you want to add something to Anup?
By looking at the GDP or the growth in the population or something.
Very good. Something which is related to economy, something which is related to money, but only that is required. Only economy, GDP, business, all these points are required to see whether a state is progressing or not. Is there anything else, students? Sharmila,
By the development of the country or the expansion of the areas, as we can say.
area, very good. Then, what other thing? As a sixth standard kids, what is also important? All these things are when you grew up big. All these businesses are there. What as a student or as a person who is into education, what is important, students, in the classroom? Now we have only one Anup as a boy, and everyone are girls in the classroom. If does that matters for the progress of the country? Yes, Anup.
Yes, ma'am. It matters. We need to have a equal participation of both genders, all the genders actually, and
Exactly,
girls
that should
all
be
together.
also a point.
Yes.
Hmm. Very good, very good. So this is also a point. So there are different parameters, students. If I go with this, the economic parameter which Anup has mentioned, which Haley has mentioned, which Felsi was coming up with was GDP, poverty, tax revenue, what we have to pay. But apart from these, there are other ratios as well, which you're going to study. Your economics teacher in the last session have made you aware about something. Again, child nutrition, the crime rate, literacy rate, sex ratio, the gender ratio which is there in the classroom or in the economic contribution of the economy, vaccination. Where is this vaccination coverage important, students? Can you tell me where is this vaccination? Nahida has just entered. Nahida, good morning. Good morning, Nahida. You are there with me? Nahida, you aren't there? Yeah.
Ashwarya, I was there, but I'm outside.
Okay, okay, no problem, no problem. I hope your attention is there with me. Yes, Pavitra, your network problem is solved, or is it still going on?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Can you just answer where is this vaccination coverage important? Where is this vaccination coverage important? Or it is not important?
No, it is important. For today's situation, we all need to be vaccinated.
Good. College are starting, we need to be get vaccinated, right? Yes, Anup, you wish to add here?
Yes, ma'am. We need to have all the people in the society need to be vaccinated. Otherwise, someone is left behind. They will be uh, contaminated with the viruses or the diseases, so that removal of the entire disease from the society will not happen, and it will be hamper on the health facilities like hospitals, and it will increase the expenditure of the government on the hospitalization or health facilities.
Yes, exactly, Anup. You are totally correct. So vaccination is important. Everyone should get vaccinated. So make sure even your parents are vaccinated. Okay, now you are in sixth standard, so vaccination is not there available for the kids. But make sure when it comes, you must be the first one to take the vaccination. Okay. Can I hear some thumbs up in the classroom? Haley, Pavitra, Felsi, Sharmila, Sabina. If you agree with me, please raise your hand. Yes, I could see Haley has put up a thumbs up. What about the others? Yes, very good. Let's go ahead. Okay. So now today we are going to discuss majorly upon these three things, which are very significant, are gender ratio, literacy rate, and poverty rate. Okay. Gender ratio, we'll do a quick thing and then we'll move ahead towards the activity. Gender ratio is ratio of girls to the ratio of ratio of females to the ratio of male. What do you think? Is the ratio same in Maharashtra? Ratio of girls to the ratio of boys is same in Maharashtra? Yes. Or in the other state, if you know, is it same? Is it equal? Yes, Haley.
No, it is not. It is like 75 to 25%, we can say there is a difference, or it is not completely 50-50.
Very good. So again the ratio concept comes here, and this is the value 925 females per 1,000 males. So if there are 1,000 males, there is 925 female, which is around 92.5 percentage only as compared to the number of males. So if there are 10 males, there are only 9 females. Okay. Then the gender ratio, after the gender ratio, we have literacy rate. How much people are actually literate in the state of Maharashtra? This is the value. 823 literate people are there per 1,000 people. Again, the ratio is about 82% only in Maharashtra. We're going to look after the other values as well. And the last is poverty rate. Ratio of the people below the national poverty line. There are only 173, so the poverty rate is somewhat low in Maharashtra since it is the big business capital or the economic capital. So it is only 173 to per 1,000 people. Is this understood? Are these three terms understood, students, to everyone? Pavitra, these three terms: gender, literacy, poverty. Sharmila, Felsi, Nahida,
Yes,
or you
ma'am.
want
Yes,
to
ma'am. Yes.
explain any of the point?
So, ma'am, understood.
Clear? Pavitra, Nahida, and Felsi had said yes. What about the others? Haley, Sharmila,
Yes,
Sabina. Shall we go ahead? Will you select one state for yourself? This was all about Maharashtra. Now I want you all to select one state for your reference. Any one state, and you can put down your selected state in the chat box. Do it very quick. We only have the next 10 minutes with us. So I want you all to be very quick. Select one state of your choice apart from Maharashtra in the chat box. Very good. Pavitra, Haley has put down Gujarat. Pavitra has put down Tamil Nadu. Very quick, students. हाँ. Selected. Very good. Now you'll have to go ahead and search for the same values what I have selected for Maharashtra. See, the value for Maharashtra was with respect to gender ratio, literacy rate, and poverty rate. I need the ratios in your book. Just write down, mention gender, literacy rate, and poverty rate of your selected states. Write down in the book if you have selected your state. I have also provided one sample to you, sample material here in your WhatsApp. If you all want, you all can go on Google and search for the content, or you all can go in this sample sheet and get the value of the gender ratio, literacy rate, and poverty rate of your state as students, only of your state.
Aishwarya.
Yes, ma'am.
Since it's a
Yes, ma'am.
maths lesson, you must show them how to write. When you write a ratio, what is the way to write in mathematics?
Yes, ma'am.
Because it's just like you're discussing about ratios, but how to write in the mathematical terms, mathematical language, what symbol has been used, how do you represent it? Oh, kuch I don't know whether you have explained that. Let them
It
write, they should
was
have practice.
okay.
Only it was like
Okay,
it's
ma'am.
going on about ratio.
Yes, ma'am. Like the representation and everything was already actually been done in the last session, ma'am. But if you want me to show them,
Yeah, I will. It
um,
should be something which they are writing accordingly. When you tell them also to write, when you show them the picture of that playground also, so
mm,
त्याच्या बरोबर it should be. नाही तर what
okay,
it
ma'am.
happened just you are discussing ratios. Mathematics त्याच्यात येत आहे ते कळतच नाहीये या लेसन मधून.
Ma'am.
Understood?
I'll
So
do
that
it.
practice
Yes,
of
yes.
writing, solving, all that should be there. और oral नाही करायचं.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, students, can you all see this? See my screen right now? The whiteboard is visible to you all?
Yes.
Nahida, Felsi, Sabina. Yes. So as ma'am said, check. I'll take one value which is 925 females per 1,000 male. So the way we write this ratio is like this. Understand the different representation of the ratio. The first one is like this. 925 to 1,000. You can represent like this, or you can even represent like this: 925, then a colon 2,000. Are you getting my point, student? Is there any question you wish to ask? Sabina, Felsi, Sharmila, Pavitra, Haley, Anoop and Nahida are not there in the class.
Give them one example and then tell them now how you will write this.
Yeah. Yes, ma'am. I'll give one example to them
Give
also.
them some, yeah.
But have you all understood, student, the ratio? How to represent it? Is it understood to everyone? Pavitra, Sharmila?
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. Now, if I ask you to write the ratio here about the poverty rate, will you able to write 173 to per 1,000 people? How will be the ratio, Haley? You have to similarly write for your states as well. Yes, Sabina?
Yeah, can you repeat the question?
The question is, if I have to write the ratio as 173 people living below poverty line per 1,000 people, how will be the ratio?
173 upon 1000.
173 upon 1,000. Very good. And if I have to represent in the colon form, this form, then how will I write, Sabina?
173 is to 1000.
Very good. 173 is to the ratio 2,000. Very good. Please continue with your state value. Okay, this isn't going that way. 1,000. I'll write it down here somewhere. There's one add page here. Okay. You all can continue with your state, students. If you all have understood how to represent the state, these three values need to be taken. Have you got the reference material on the WhatsApp?
Yes.
Do come up with your state gender ratio, literacy rate, and poverty rate. I'll share one Padlet link where you have to put down these values. Done? You have collected the values, students. You have collected the ratios in your notebook. Pavitra, Haley, Felsi, Sabina, Sharmila.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Pavitra is saying yes. What about the others? Sharmila, Haley, Sabina.
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. Kelsey, if you have done that. Amazing. Felsi, are others on your screen? Because I could only see Felsi in the classroom. What about the others? Pavitra, Haley, Sabina, Sharmila.
Yes.
Can I see you all on the screen? Very good. Now Sharmila is there on my screen. Amazing. If you have noted down the value, students, you have to write like this. I have shared one link on Padlet. Just pay attention how you have to fill up this Padlet, and then you all can go and fill up your Padlets. Okay. Pavitra, Sabina, Haley, is my screen visible? Ratio and proportion activity. Is it visible?
Yes, ma'am. It is.
Yes, thank you very much, Fancy, for helping me. Now, what you have to do is you have to click on this plus icon. Can you see on the top right plus icon or add post? Is it visible? Yes or no, Pavitra? Is this icon visible on the top right, add post?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
As I click on this, it will ask to search a place by name. So you all can search your state. For example, Goa. You have to click on Goa and then you have to add the values which you have got from the reference or from your internet. Are you clear? You have to add, you have to write whatever ratio you have got. Okay. Do mention what is the literacy rate, the gender ratio, or the poverty ratio which you get. You have to enter here and then publish. Simple. Add, write down, and then publish. Are we clear, your students? Have you understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I'll show you what has to be written. I'll close this and see I've added something here on Maharashtra. You have to just write this point. If it is clearly visible to you, I'll make sure I maximize this. Just a minute, discard. Select the state and write down the ratios. The link is already being provided in the chat box. If you are facing issues, students, do let me know.
Ma'am, can you provide the link again, please?
Yes, I'll do it in the WhatsApp as well. Check this. Elsie, did you get the link in the WhatsApp? Or you want me to provide it here as well?
Yes, ma'am. Got it in the WhatsApp. Thank you.
Yeah. Sabina, just check, okay? It is there in the WhatsApp as well. As it is done, do put a thumbs up in the chat box. Haley, is it visible for you now? Are you able to put down the answer? Search for the state which you have selected and put down the value. It is not visible. What is visible, Sharmila? You can, in the phone, no, for that plus sign you have to go to the bottom right. Bottom right there is plus icon. Click on that plus icon and then enter the value. Sharmila, did you get the plus icon?
No, ma'am. It is a blank screen.
It is blank screen. Copy that link and open in the Chrome, Sharmila. Copy that link and open in Chrome. Don't open in any other browser. Is it there now, Sharmila?
Aishwarya, now your lecture is going on for 50 minutes now. You have to
Yeah,
time that
almost
also
done.
properly. Nothing for that. In school and all, how you will get to do it.
Yeah,
The
that's
time
what.
management is important. It's not go on and on. So you have to plan also properly.
Yes, ma'am. Now is open.
Yes, students, you all can continue this. See, I want you all to put down like this only in the state which you are selecting. Don't just simply write the ratio. Make sure you answer in full sentence. Okay. Complete this activity and then I'll be accordingly grading you with stars. Is it clear to everyone? Can I see some raise hand in the classroom? Students, you all can come back here and put down your answers. Okay. Later on in that particular map. Only Felsi is there. What about the others? Haley, Pavitra, Sabina, Anup, Sharmila, please come back in the classroom. Very good. Fine. So we'll stop the session here, students, and we'll continue with this ratio and proportion thing in the next session as well, which will continue with game. I hope you are excited for the next lecture as well. Okay, students, can I hear some yes from you all? Is the session understood? Is it clear to everyone what has to be done as a homework? Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. Please put down, please fill up this map with your states. Okay. I'll be checking this and be getting update from everyone in the classroom. Okay. Thank you very much, students. See you all in the next lecture.
Okay, feedback, chalo. Peer feedback first. 2 people at least. Every lesson, 2 people at least. Pavitra, I want you to say.
Yes, ma'am. Everything was good, but the time, because of the activity, and like everyone was not responding, so the activity became very big. So it took very long time to finish. So there should be time management. That's only, ma'am.
Okay. What Sharmila wants to say? शर्मिला बोल, तुला काय वाटलं? आवडलं, नाही आवडलं, टफ वाटलं, भाषा समजली नाही, काय काही पण सांग. हा, Sharmila, are you talking? Everybody should talk.
Yes.
We can't hear what you're saying. Sharmila, are you saying something? Haley?
Yes, well,
Haley?
am I audible?
Yeah, say.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
yes.
I felt Aishwarya took the revision like from the starting of the lesson. The way she took the revision made students refreshed with the points, whether they are connected to the thing that we are going to do today, or like even she tried connecting the topic to the economics. But somewhere I felt it went out of track. Like it went more on values, and then compared to the thing, and it did not stick on to math. Like as what we have learned like in pedagogy, like we have to just hit and run from the thing if we are connecting correlating the subject with other subject. So that was the point where I felt it was like missing out, but rather interaction that she did or the way she conducted the activity, the picture in that picture, like the kids were moving, so it made like it dragged the attention toward the picture, and it brought out that curiosity to work for that activity. It was very much it kept us engaged in doing the just the thing was like it started going on some other topic. Like it was good, like she related to the democratic values also, like how can we bring the equality and what is the not the equality connected to the other states also. Just the thing was that it went, but it was a good try and I liked it. Like it was interactive as such, and the thing that she used like picture images, she went from step to step how many in all are there, the boys, the girls, and then she counted it with the ratio. So it was overall good. Just the thing was like hit and run wala thing was missed though. Anyways, it was overall good. It was
Touch
a good
and go.
try.
Yeah, even I felt, but whenever you're doing also, immediately support it with a mathematical how to write, or tell them now you write and show me in your book. Show from the screen. Because what happens only orally maths try to avoid. And secondly, as I'm telling you, colleges are opening up, schools are opening up. Maybe after Diwali. Okay, now we will have these lessons. We are already on the 20th. Then some programs is that we'll have few days of practice teaching, and your times will be just 2 or 3 more turns. But once suppose schools open, suppose I'm saying, or mostly if schools open after Diwali, and if you are going to go to school, I want your blackboard work a little bit in space. So that's why I'm trying to tell you, thoda sa, sorry, thoda sa I want you all to just put the board and little try to explain, at least there also. Because what is happening, even when you're writing, when we give you to assignments to write and submit, it's taking time. You have forgotten. I spoke to you that day also. So thoda sa na darwaje ke piche, like a maths teacher you are teaching, like you are attending, thoda sa try to bring that so that we will have that connection and tomorrow you will not be lost. Understood? Even we sitting comfortably and when we are explaining using apps, we have become comfortable. Abhi aap log aayenge, so I don't know now. Like we are writing on the board and of course we'll be sharing and all that. We are trying for blended because only 50% till now can come in the college. Even if 100% are vaccinated, you can have only 50% of the students. So we are trying with all that, but try as far as possible when you're giving your English lesson also, writing the meanings, writing the words, try to write on the blackboard also, do some BB work so it will be helpful for you. And try to explain, connect. Aishwarya, you're good. We know you're the IT person, you're using apps, you're using that Prezi very nicely, everything. पण डोंट लेट इट गो ओनली टेक्नॉलॉजी डायरेक्ट यूज करते थोडंसं मुलांकडून पण लिहून घे देन इट हॅपन्स मोर ऑफ ओरल so tell them, open your books, now copy down. Now I'm writing so and so. This is like that. Now copy it down. Thoda that maths ka, as I'm saying, when I interrupted in between, try to do that. Baki all is good. Lesson was interesting, trying to cover up correlation, everything was very good. But only try to see on these more points. Make it more of a maths lesson and make students write, do something in their books. So their book should always be open. So if you will write something on the board, they will write in the books. So after you write, also copy it down. 9 upon 1000, 925 upon is equal to 9 is to 1000. See that denominator may, whenever ratio is there, denominator, it can be expressed when always, mostly denominator is greater. And if there is only a whole number, we write it upon 1. If you say 2, what a ratio? 2 upon 1 becomes a ratio, right? And a whole, but it is not again. So little bit that you try to probe and bring them into mathematics. Fine. Baki all was okay, fine. Who's going to do the next one? Next one.